So this is our 5-minute kit, and inside it contains everything you need for both your morning and evening routines for youthful, glowing skin. So when you first open the box, you'll find everything you need ready and waiting for you. Look how pretty, including your So Soft face cloth. And on top, you will see your set of skin instructions. So this little guide talks you through exactly how and why your skin ages and exactly what you can do to treat it, starting with your morning routine. So on this page, we break it down into 5 simple steps so you know exactly what to do, and I'm going to talk you through it now. So this is step 1 in the morning routine, cleansing with our Dream Clean cleanser. So you want to start by taking 1 to 2 pumps in the palm of your hand, and then you're going to sweep it onto dry skin initially so you get a nice even coverage. Down your neck too, and then emulsify it with a little bit of warm water, not too hot. Work it into your skin. Now in the morning, we're just trying to rinse away any bacteria, sweat, or impurities that have accumulated overnight. So a nice gentle cleanse to refresh and revive your skin. And once everywhere has been covered, you're going to take your So Soft face cloth. So I've run this under warm water, wrung it out, and then I want the more textured side first, because this is going to pull any bacteria from deep within my pores, give the perfect cleanse. It's also super, super gentle because the cream is so nourishing. It's a great way to start the day. Come down your neck too. And then we're going to flip the cloth. So this time we want the more fluffy side to buff and polish our skin so that we're ready for the next step in our routine. It feels so good. And this side as well. Very gentle around the eyes. And finish down your neck. And that's it, step 1 complete. For step 2, we're going to take our Miracle Eye Complex. And for this, you want just 1 drop on your ring finger, specifically your ring finger, as this one has the softest pad, and we just dab it around our eyes the whole way around, and then use circular motions to sweep it into the skin. This is actually super cooling on a morning because it's a serum, so it's great for reducing puffiness and reviving tired eyes. Just gentle sweeping motions. This will help to boost circulation too, so get rid of any dark circles if you haven't had a good night. Gently work it into place, and then once it's started to vanish, just pat the remainder in. And just like that, it's gone. And that is step 2 complete. For step 3, we're going to take our Super Youth Serum, and you want just a pump of this in the palm of your hand, and you're going to sweep it onto your face and neck. It is super important never to forget your neck because the skin here is super fragile and delicate, so we want to make sure we strengthen it as much as possible. And then you can use circular motions here to really work it in, and this will brighten, hydrate and rejuvenate in just 1 pump. So totally multifunctional. It's the only serum you'll need in your routine. Work it out, and then once your skin's drank it, just press into your skin for an extra boost of absorption, and it'll fit perfectly in place. And that's step 3 complete. So step 4 is our One Cream Wonder, and I absolutely love this product. Look at the texture. So you want about a 5 piece amount on your finger, then sweep it between your hands and smooth it onto both your face and neck. It has the most incredible nourishing texture which helps to condition and hydrate your skin all day long and seal the rest of your products into place. You can actually do a bit of massage here if you want to, but circular motions are also perfect. And it's got this beautiful consistency that absorbs very quickly too, so not greasy in the slightest. And the touch of retinol is going to rejuvenate your skin throughout the day as well. And just like that, it's gone. So step 5 is our Sunbeam Cream SPF 50, and you want to apply this liberally. So I always do it using my 11 dot technique, which is just as simple as it sounds. You want to do 3 dots on your forehead, 1 on your nose, 1 on your chin, 2 on either cheek, and then 1 dot each side of your neck. And then you just massage it gently into place using circular motions. Now, it's a super lightweight, non-greasy texture, so it absorbs like a dream, and it also sits perfectly underneath makeup too. So if you choose to apply makeup on top, give you the perfect base to work on. is also a broad spectrum SPF, which just means it will protect against both UVA and UVB radiation, or burning and skin aging. So just work it in gently. It's non-greasy, won't clog your pores. It feels so beautiful and gives your skin the most beautiful glow to start the day. And that's it, your morning routine complete. So when it comes to your evening routine, you will find it just over the page in your skin instructions. And again, we break it down into 5 easy steps. So you start with your Dream Clean Cleanser, then your overnight glow drops for exfoliation, which look just like this, then your Miracle Eye Complex, Super Youth Serum, and 1 Cream Wonder. Again, it takes just 5 minutes and then you're ready for bed.